Bayer AG is a German multinational pharmaceutical and biotechnology company, and it's one of the largest pharmaceutical and biomedical companies in the world. Bayer's areas of business include pharmaceuticals, consumer healthcare products, agricultural chemicals, seeds, and biotechnology products. Bayer was founded in 1863 in Barmen as a partnership between dye salesman Friedrich Bayer and dyer Friedrich Westcott. The company was established as a dyestuffs producer, but the versatility of aniline chemistry led Bayer to expand its business into other areas. In 1899, Bayer launched the compound acetyl-licalic acid under the trademark name aspirin. In 2020, it was the 36th most commonly prescribed medication in the United States, with more than 17 million sold. In 1904, Bayer received a trademark for the Bayer cross logo, which was subsequently stamped onto each aspirin tablet, creating an iconic product that is still sold by Bayer. In 1925, Bayer merged with 5 other German companies to form IG Farben, creating the world's largest chemical and pharmaceutical company. IG Farben used slave labor in factories. It built in Nazi concentration camps, most notably in the Monowitz concentration camp, known as Auschwitz III. By 1943, almost half of IG Farben's 330,000-strong workforce consisted of slave labor or conscripts, including 30,000 Auschwitz prisoners. Helmuth Vetter, an Auschwitz camp physician, SS captain and employee of the Bayer Group, within IG Farben conducted medical experiments on inmates at Auschwitz and at the Mauthausen concentration camp. In one study of an anesthetic, the company paid $170 per person for the use of 150 female inmates of Auschwitz. A Bayer employee wrote to Rudolf Haas, the Auschwitz commandant. The transport of 150 women arrived in good condition. However, we were unable to obtain conclusive results because they died during the experiments. We would kindly request that you send us another group of women to the same number and at the same price. Bayer has been involved in lots of controversies regarding its drug products. In the late 1990s, it introduced a statin drug, Baycol, but after 52 deaths were attributed to it, Bayer discontinued it in 2001. The side effect was rhabdomyolysis, causing kidney failure, which occurred with a 10-fold greater frequency in patients treated with Baycol in comparison to those prescribed alternate medications. Heroin, now illegal as an addictive drug, was introduced as a non-addictive substitute for morphine and trademarked and marketed by Bayer from 1898 to 1910 as a cough suppressant and over-the-counter treatment for other common ailments, including pneumonia and tuberculosis. While Bayer scientists were not the first to make heroin, the company did lead the way in commercializing it. Heroin was a Bayer trademark until after World War I. Throughout the war, Bayer was involved in production and development of various chemical weapons. In 1914, Bayer manufactured dianisodine chlorosulfate for use in 105mm artillery shells intended as a lung irritant against British forces. Bayer is also responsible for the production of Zyklon B, the chemical used in gas chambers. Bayer played a key role in producing heroin and selling it as a non-addictive substitute for morphine. Trademarked and marketed by Bayer from 1898 to 1910 as a cough suppressant and over-the-counter treatment for other common ailments, including pneumonia and tuberculosis in post-war West Germany, quickly regaining its position as one of the world's largest chemical and pharmaceutical corporations. In 2016, Bayer merged with the American multinational Monsanto in what was the biggest acquisition by a German company to date. Bayer AG is now a multinational pharmaceutical and biotechnology company and is one of the largest pharmaceutical companies and biomedical companies in the world.